Hello food lovers. Today we're bringing bold flavors straight from Thailand into your kitchen. These 10 Thai work lunches are affordable, easy to prep, and absolutely packed with flavor. Let's cook together step by step. Get ready to impress your coworkers. Let's start strong with a Thai classic. Heat oil in your pan. Add minced garlic and chili. Listen to that sizzle. Now toss in your ground chicken and cook until golden. Add soy sauce and fish sauce. This is where the magic begins. Finally, stir in fresh Thai basil until it wilts. Aromatic, savory chicken over fluffy rice with a spicy kick. Simple, bold, and irresistible. Boil your noodles and set them aside. Now let's make a creamy peanut sauce. Mix peanut butter, soy sauce, lime juice, honey, and garlic. Pour the sauce over your noodles, toss in shredded carrots, and mix well. Creamy, nutty noodles perfect for lunch on the go. Heat curry paste in a pan until fragrant. Add chicken and cook until sealed, then pour in coconut milk. Add your veggies and let it simmer gently. Watch those flavors blend. Rich, creamy curry comfort food in a lunchbox. Cook your chicken with garlic and soy sauce until juicy. Spoon it into crisp lettuce leaves and squeeze fresh lime over the top. Light, fresh, and crunchy wraps bursting with flavor, healthy and satisfying. Heat oil, scramble your eggs, and set aside. In the same pan, saute garlic and veggies. Add rice and soy sauce. Golden, flavorful fried rice that's perfect for leftovers and busy days. Simmer coconut milk with ginger. Inhale that aroma. Add chicken and mushrooms. Finish with a splash of lime juice for that signature Thai tang. Creamy, tangy soup that feels like a warm hug in a bowl. Quickly stir-fry beef over high heat. Keep it tender. Add garlic and veggies. Splash in soy sauce and toss everything together. Juicy beef with crisp veggies. Simple, fast, and packed with flavor. Cook chicken with garlic until golden. Add diced mango and soy sauce. Let it caramelize. Slightly sweet meets savory. A tropical twist. Sweet, juicy mango paired with savory chicken. Soak your glass noodles until soft. Toss with cooked shrimp or chicken. Add lime juice, fish sauce, and chili. Mix well. Light, zesty, and refreshing. Perfect for a midday boost. Pan fry tofu until golden and crispy. Add garlic and sweet chili sauce, coating each piece beautifully. Crispy, sticky tofu with sweet heat. Absolutely addictive. And there you have it, 10 amazing Thai work lunches. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious ideas. Happy cooking!